Hello and welcome to Unit 1 Physiology. So we're looking at the process of neuromuscular contraction here. So if our car represents a positively charged impulse or signal that is sent from the CNS, this is travelling down our road known as the axon. We have to stop at the neuromuscular junction. This means the signal has stopped. In order to cross the junction, we've got to get across this gap here. This represents a synaptic cleft between the axon and the fibre. In order to get across this gap, we release a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Okay, this secretes across the gap, the synaptic cleft, and allows our positively charged signal or impulse, our car, to get over to our muscle fibre. So that produces an excitatory postsynaptic action potential, aka an action potential, allowing us to cross the synaptic cleft. Right, if we think about we've travelled all this way to get into our house has 4 locks on it, and in order to get in you will need 4 keys. If you have 3 keys, the door will remain closed. So this represents our all or none law. If the signal or impulse is high enough, the muscle fibre will contract. If it's too low, then the muscle fibre will not contract. If I don't have enough keys, I can't get in the door. If the signal's not high enough, the muscle fibre will not contract. So there are 3 types of skeletal muscle contraction we need to be aware of. That's isotonic, isometric, and isokinetic. So make sure you know of the examples here for these different types of muscular contraction. Good. So finally, if we're looking at motor unit recruitment, the number of motor units activated depends on the force required. There are small, medium and large motor units, and the system increases the frequency of stimulation, so more motor units can be stimulated or bigger motor units can be used. So the recruitment and activation of motor units equals more muscle fibres being contracted and a greater force produced. So if we're looking at Eddie Hall, a power lifter will recruit all 3 motor units. Okay, large ones to lift the heavy weights, small ones for technique and balance. So an exam question you might see, pause the video, have a go and mark your answer. Thank you.